Today we'll be making sensory bottles. I'm going to start off with 1 cup of warm water and pour it into a bowl. And 1/4 cup of clear glue. Glitter and food coloring if you're using it. And stir it until it's well combined. Then we're going to pour it into our bottle with the cap. I'm using a vase type bottle. Just a little bit more glitter, and then we're going to put the cap on and shake it. Twist it out. And what you get a swirl effect from the glitter, and it's going to settle down once you stir it. I'm going to add a couple color beads just to give it more of a calming effect. And we're going to put the top back on and test it again. Feel free to use any objects you would like. Test it to your liking. If you feel like your glitter is moving too fast, you can add more glue. If it's moving too slow, you can add warm water. And once you get it to your liking, you can take the top off and let it cool. And once it's cool, you can secure the top with hot glue or super glue. Sometimes it could be difficult to calm down and decompress. The sensory bottles can be used as a healthy and effective way to calm down, soothe yourself, and take a deep breath. The possibilities are endless. You can use hand soap, corn syrup, or even make a hide and seek bottle with small objects. You can theme beach, use alphabet letters to spell out words. This is all we have for today.